Guys, before this video starts, make sure to please subscribe and like, and share this video with your friends so we can have even more fun with my videos. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shanis, and welcome back to Shanis, episode 2 of Shanis cooking class. First we made sherbet, and now second we're making brownies out of brownie crocker mix. So with that, make sure to subscribe in 5 seconds, and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Every digit part of extra. If you haven't noticed, my tooth came out. So without further ado, let's get started. The materials and ingredients needed for this recipe are a mixer, and if you don't have a mixer, you can use a bowl and spoon or a spatula. And as I said before, we have Betty Crocker brownie mix, and half cup of oil, 2 eggs, and a brownie thing that we put our brownies in. And I'm going to put 3 cups of water, 3 tablespoons of water, which I'm going to put in this later. So let's get started because I'm getting... Okay guys, so the stuff you need for this, remember, parents' permission, like I said, for permission, okay kids? So what you need is, you need to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And remember, parents' permission, because we're using heat and sharp objects. Remember, parents' permission. So what you need for step number 1 is a mixer and a bowl. So if you don't have it, like I said earlier, you could use anything, a spoon or, yeah. And we're going to use 2 eggs. Try not to crack it. And now I'm going to crack it. My parents usually do it, but now I'm going to try to crack it without putting the eggshells in, so let's try it. Oh. Okay, now the other egg. Okay, I put it. There we go. So, now another one. Now I'm going to wash my hands because they're really clean. Okay guys, so my sister put this here for me, and she put this down because it's really sharp for me. And now you're going to put it to 3. Okay guys, so now the eggs are all mixed in here. Now for step number 2 is we're going to put a half cup of oil. So let's start first you're going to put this up. gonna mix it. So now it's number 3 level, whatever it's called. So now that this is all mixed up, you need parents' permission. So first we're gonna take, what am I saying? So we're gonna put the brownies in, but we're using scissors, so we put parents' permission too. I'm just cut it a little. Yep. Okay. Now, put it up. Okay. Then put it in. Just all of it. Okay, now I put in the brownie mix, and now I'm going to put 3 tablespoons of water. 1, 2, 3. Just a little bit more. And now I'm going to mix it. Guys, for step number 4 is that I oiled the pan and my sister put in the batter in so it wouldn't drop. And now we're going to put some walnut dunks in, half of it because I want the plain brownie too. And now the brownie. Optional. Remember parents' permission when you're doing all of this. But you don't need parents' permission when you're playing, only when you're making stuff. Whoops. Okay guys, so I put it all of this in, just gonna spread it a little. Now for step number 5. Step number 5 is, remember this is a parent supervision thing. So this one is you need to put it in the oven. So remember, your parents have to do this. So my mom's gonna put it in. I'm going to clean up right. Remember, when you're done doing all of this baking, you're going to clean up everything. And first, I'm going to eat something because I'm really hungry after baking. Okay, guys, so my mom put it in the oven for 22 minutes because I did not want to burn myself. And I was going to let them cool down for 10 minutes and on my mom's phone. And now I'll see you guys when it's cooled down. Okay guys, now my mom is going to be cutting the brownies, which is so delicious. Those look good, Mom. Yeah. Okay guys, so here's the reveal, and I'm going to take a bite to see how they turned out. The way my mom cut it, I made 14. Bye guys, comment down below and subscribe. Bye, peace.